Yes, we do have solution. The learning for this week is remanufacturing. Manufacturing is so underused and undervalued today. To give you one number, only 1% of the machines on the balance sheet in the US are covered through remanufacturing processes. It's so sad because remanufacturing is actually quite good for the bottom line of companies and quite good for the environment. Actually, for the environment, instead of putting old machines into the garbage, we can actually reuse those machines and make them as good as new machines. So it's great because all those raw materials, all those components can be reused. So we are drastically reducing our environment footprint. But from a bottom line point of view, it's even better. Let's use a concrete example. Usually a reman product is 30% cheaper than the new one. So let's use a new product, it's $100. Let's use a reman product, it's roughly $70. If we look at cost, actually, it's completely different. Because a new product is expensive to produce. You have all the raw materials, you have all the new components, so it's roughly $70 to produce this new product. But for the reman, you just have to buy back these old machines and buy the new components. It's way cheaper. So roughly, for the example, let's use $30 to remanufacture an old machine. So now, from a pure profitability point of view, you have $30 for a new product and $40 for a reman product. So for any company, that would be much better actually to go into the remanufacturing business and reman all those old machines. So do you think it's just for automotive or industrial equipment? Actually, no. You can apply remanufacturing to textile, to medical equipment, to cars, of course, industrial machinery, actually cheap manufacturing process and machines as well. So remanufacturing could be applied to a lot of industries and to a lot of different machines. So learning for this week, we need to make sure that more people are aware about remanufacturing, overall refurbishment processes, because we have many names for remanufacturing processes. And again, it's a win-win for the planet and for the bottom line of companies. So that's a concrete example that actually being sustainable could be a great business move. And remanufacturing is actually a great example. Do you want to learn even more about remanufacturing? Discover the latest podcast episode at Just This with Ron Giuntini, a global expert of remanufacturing. You will learn a ton, and actually that's how we start this movement toward more remanufacturing processes. I hope you like this video. See you next week.